Okay, we will solve this one. Divide and simplify the cube root of 4 divided by the 6 root of 2. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to change the radicals into the same order kasi hindi pareho yung ating terms. Okay? So, since ito yung 6 root of 2, so gagawin din natin itong 6 root. Okay? So, nako. The cube root of 4, that is equal to 4 raised to the power of 1/3. Okay? So, 6 root yan. So, equals 4 raised to the power of 2, 6. Diba? Times 2, times 2. Okay, so equals the 6 root of 4 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so the same term na sila. So ngayon, so the 6 root of 4 raised to the power of 2, divide natin sa the 6 root of 2. Okay, so equals the 6 root of 4 squared over 2. Okay, equals 6 root of 16, kasi 4 times 4, 16 over 2, so equals the 6 root of 8. Okay, so equals the 6 root of 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay, kasi 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Ito yung simplified niya. So equals, i-reduce natin into lowest term or lower order. So, cancel natin yan. Divide by 3 is 1. Divide by 3 is 2. Okay? Then equals the square root of 2. So, this is your final answer. So, sa choices, letter A is the correct answer.